What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Phillips Norelco Shaver 3500. I used to have basically a Phillips Norelco, same shaver. Actually, no, it wasn't the same shaver. We have progressed. So my mom got it like, I think at JCPenney or Sears a while back. It was ninth grade. I got tired of blades and she surprised me with another Phillips. So I'll show you it towards the end, my old shaver that I've been using to trim my beard or shave my beard. So let's get started. Norelco Shaver 3500, shave, wet, and dry. So you could basically shave your beard and wet it and dry it. Either way, it works both ways. We got a comfort cut blade, pop-up trimmer, which is my favorite because I like to basically grow my beard out and then I trim it, making it shorter than before. 60-minute runtime, so it runs for an hour. Don't really need an hour, so 30 minutes. 5-dimensional pivot and flex heads, which is good because you want to go around your skin depending on the size of your beard or jawline anyways. So it includes a travel pouch. Yeah, travel pouch. We got replacement heads for best results. Replace shaving heads every 12 months. I never replaced mine, unfortunately, but Phillips did come through. They sent me this. Huge shout out to Phillips Norelco. Thank you for sending me a shaver. I appreciate that. They reached out. I was telling them like, hey, y'all don't make shavers for one of my old ones. Like, hey, we're gonna send you this one. Try it, just review it, give it a shot, and well, here we are. And I will give them my feedback. Risk-free trial, 45 money day, back guarantee in case it blacks out or anything. Inside the box, we are kidding with the electric shaver, travel pouch, power cord, and protective cap. I lost that protective cap on my other one. So has 2-year warranty, automatic worldwide voltage. What else do we have? 5D and a pivot and flex head, so that's good. Movement, flex head, comfort cut blades, as we mentioned earlier. So you don't want to get, you could basically throw it on your head, throw it on your jawline without hurting yourself. Just like this dude right here is basically going all out on it. You can see shave, wet, and dry. Convenient dry shave or refreshing wet shave, even in the shower. I never tried that because, I don't know, I never thought electrical things would be in the shower. Pop-up trimmer, which is, like I said, it's my favorite. Finish your look with the built-in trimmer, ideal for maintaining your mustache and trimming your sideburns. So that's what I usually do. Usually I trim my entire beard just to make it shorter, and then I shave with this right here. So travel pouch, that's kind of cool. I never got that on my old one. Convenient storage for home or on the go. And here's the last thing we're going to look at. That's where you eject it, basically. That's the trimmer in the back, a Lion, a built-in battery, and it has the charging. That's kind of cool. My other one just says charge or when it's low. Up to 60 minutes, 1 hour charge, 5-minute quick charge gets in for one shave, pop-up trimmer, 3-level battery. That's cool. And one-touch open shaver Phillips. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and give an unboxing for this. I think it's kind of cool. It's been a while since I've had. So once again, huge shout out to Phillips for sending me this. I appreciate you. And like I said, guys, I will show you my old Phillips box, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if like the new ones are USB-C, but we got this one for our guys. So as we can see here, it looks really, really nice. I love the box. I love the color. All right, so we're gonna get this right here. I can't take it out, but oh well. I like the little package lining. We have all the stuff right here. Oh, nice. It is actually hooked on by the clips together. Nice. So I guess we'll get this out first. Oh, cool. It comes out. Sweet. All right. We got here the shaver itself. Here we are. It hooks on. Sweet. I wonder if it has battery. We'll check right now. So as you can see, I like the little convenient. So here you have it, guys and girls. Yeah, you'd be surprised. Some girls trim their sideburns and something else too. Anyways, and actually this could kind of work for shaving their legs as well. I never thought about that. I'll probably have to ask someone about it. So it doesn't have batteries. You can see we're on the red low, so we'll have to charge it later. It is a dual prong, which is like, reminds me of a PlayStation 2, but it's actually smaller compared to the other one. We have a little, ooh, nice little charger. I guess exclusive. I know we're going USB-C later on. Oh wow, this is like the smallest charger I've ever seen. And then we have the cap basically for it, so we can cover it when it's not being used. This will actually protect the moisture of it. I lost my other one. Ooh, I like it compared to my, I don't know where my other one went. So you just unhook it through here, and then we have right there. Now here is where you actually could clean your blades. You just twist this right here and it like unlooses everything. How do I know? Because I shredded my blades, and here's the trimmer. And where is it? Right here. Yeah, never shave while being connected to the cord. Always shave without it, because you never know, the electricity might jolt you up. So it's always better. So I like the design. I like the grip. The grip right here really helps. So when you're shaving, and this is giving you the wet and dry opportunity, like, hey, you must use that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So as promised, guys, oh, and here's a travel bag. It's pretty sweet. I didn't think about a travel bag. Okay, here we go. Let's see how the travel bag looks like. Oh man, it's taped up again. Here we go. Where does it open? Oh, okay, here we go. So this bag, it basically, oh, that's cool. That's pretty nice. Except just really make sure you really dry it before you put it in here. So we got here, it's nice and big. Pack this in. Can we fit the charger? Oh, we can. Nice. Oh, hold on. Let me put everything all in one together. This is really good if you're traveling to an airport, or because you never know. You know, if you're on a business trip, you want you to shave. Okay, nice. It actually closes. This is reminds me of my stands. Sweet. I will keep this. Well, usually what I do is after I shave with it, I leave it open, like out in the open. That way it can like dry up from the wetness. We don't want the blades to feel dull, but usually they never get dull. So now we're gonna compare both blades. As you can see, this is my Phillips Norelco from like, I'm gonna say, oh my god, like 2011, 12. No, I'll take that back. 2006, or I don't know, man. I forgot. But yeah, ninth grade. That's all I'm gonna say. So this is the old one. As you can see, they have improved so much. See, this one just has a charger and a low. This one has one. This one has lasted me a long time. I really liked it. I like the trimmer. They kept the same design, as you can tell. Basically, the trimmer, that's like the most important part. They changed a lot of... No, actually, no, they didn't. They made it kind of smaller, as you can see. This one has... The blades are still intact. You're seeing the same motion, just different kind of colors. So, overall, I like Norelco because of the trimming blade. Usually, many shavers don't have that feature. So, that's why I don't really go with the others. I'd rather have like a 1, 2, and... Basically, a 1 and 2. I always have more than 3, and the fact that it has a... This is actually a 5-dimensional. This is kind of a 3-dimensional, or I guess you could say it's the same thing. I can't really tell, but we're gonna... Oh, yeah, it says 5-dimensional. It doesn't really say. I guess because it was too early to even tell. But yeah, this is the one I got a while back. They still use the same charger. Let me check. I'm actually curious. So this is the same... Yeah, it looks like the same chargers. That's crazy. It's like I like to think of it like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? And let me see if it plugs in. Oh wow, it does plug in. That's crazy. Like I said, guys, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So yeah, it kind of still works with that. Nice. Compared to the other one, it still plugs in as expected. I didn't think it was actually gonna plug in. And I'm pretty sure this will plug into the old one as well. Yeah, it is. Here, I'm gonna show you guys my old charger. Big update on this. Compared to the chargers, yeah, this one's my charger's seen its years. Basically all like I'm gonna say the orange I tried to put electric tape around it, to try to make it work, and kind of did it. Anyway, guys, what else do we have? I know we're running 10 minutes on this video, so yeah, this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool right here. We got the manual, traditional, showing you how to shave, what prefer trimming using this product. Love this paper because it's not just, it could disintegrate, so I appreciate that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for continuing to subscribe to me. I appreciate all the subscriptions. If you have something that you don't want to unbox and you would love for me to unbox, yeah, send it over, guys, and I will like unbox it for you. And once again, huge shout out to Phillips. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. I appreciate that. And other than that, I think we're all set. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.